how to get a student discount on Adobe Creative Cloud. Google search for Adobe Creative Cloud student discount, and this should be the first website that pops up. Adobe Creative Cloud for students and teachers. Click on it and it's gonna show us this. Instead of $60 per month, you will be paying $20 per month for the annual paid monthly plan for the first year. So here you can either choose free trial or buy now. If we click on buy now, it is going to take us to the checkout page, and it is going to show us that you save 66% with educational discount. And you can see the terms by clicking on this button. So here you just want to choose the plan, either annual or paid monthly. So I click on continue. It's going to take us to this page, AI assistant. You can continue, and you have to type your email address here, and then again continue. And the last step will be the payment itself. So you just enter your card details and you purchase the student discount for Adobe Creative Cloud. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.